Sending live video into Streamwell is easy and flexible. For anybody who's live streamed before, you've probably heard of or already used the Open Broadcasters software, better known as OBS. Here's a quick example of how we might use OBS to play back a high-quality video to a client, instead of making them suffer through a regular screen share. You simply click to copy the RTMP or SRT stream link from any available channel in Streamwell and paste it right into OBS as a custom server. I'm using SRT because it's easier and even more robust than RTMP, which is a more traditional protocol for live streaming. Just a quick note, if you do use RTMP, be sure to place the stream key in the second box. RTMP URLs all use the common format of RTMP, server, port, application, stream key, so this won't be a huge guessing game. Under the Output tab, make sure the output mode is set to Advanced. There are a lot of variables you can set in the encoding, but for now the most important ones are to make sure that you are using a 1-second keyframe interval, baseline or main profile, and whenever available, the zero latency tuning option. We'll go over some more advanced encoding options in a future video. Under the Video tab, it's a good idea to make sure the resolution and frame rate matches the content you wish to share. We'll save our settings and click Start Streaming to go live. The stream will come up right away, and you can click the thumbnail to enter the channel. Now, you might choose to have your clients log in so you can chat and share files, but today we're just going to send a one-tap public link to our client Steve. I'll just click to copy the public link and pop it in an email to Steve so he can easily bring it up during our online meeting tomorrow. Another perk here is that Steve could move meeting platforms at the last minute, or we could even just do a regular phone call, and I know it won't affect the quality of my presentation. Now, when Steve clicks that link, this is what he sees. Pretty clean, huh? And when we're done our session, all I need to do is reset the public link for that channel, and I'm ready for my next client session. I don't even need to stop my stream in OBS. Stay tuned for more videos like this, and you can learn more about Streamwell at streamwell.net.